Hello everyone and welcome to Wilson in the family yard, I guess. Today we're going to be making caprese salad. Caprese salad is miniature tomatoes, chopped garlic, oil, salt, pepper, herbs, cheese. So first we want to cut the tomatoes. So now we're going to cut them into quarters. Half and half again, really. So now we just toss it into the bowl. Ooh, I almost got myself. Remember, wash those fingers. Especially with knives. Finger! We have a finger. Let's cut off this finger. That definitely on the inside also looks a bit like a finger. Always keep your fingers on the outside so then you don't. So now we're gonna do a big red. At least that's what I call them. These ones cut oddly easily. They look a lot more like a tomato on the inside. Big red. Now tomatoes are chopped. Got them all right here. Now we add in the garlic. Chopped garlic, actually. So yeah, make sure it's chopped. Make sure. 2 cloves at least. If you want a bigger, size of it, you might want a bit more garlic. And now a generous amount of oil. Just some salt and pepper. Freshly grinded pepper. Okay, so now we're going to work with the basil. So, there's actually a specific strategy for this. I just pick off the whole stem of leaves like this. Maybe a bit more. There we go. So now we roll it up. Take a good sized leaf, roll it up like we did in our sushi video. And voila, they're all chopped. Let's do one more batch of that. Now we find more. Ooh, this can be good for the starting. It's gonna be good. Ooh, oh, this isn't. Now this is a good one. There we go. There we go. Now, for the final ingredient. The cheese. It's fresh mozzarella pearls. It can be whatever form of mozzarella. This is what we're looking for. Cheese. Put them in. On the top, we just want some representation. So quick. Anyway, so now we mix. So while I'm mixing, please like and subscribe. It would help a lot. And this is all the ingredients combined. Salt and pepper, you just can't see it. tastes really good. Even without bread, it's pretty good. Would be a bit better with bread, just then more crunch. But overall, it's good. I would recommend making this. Please like and subscribe. Please. And have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Cut. I say. So now that I've found the specific strategy for this, you saw nothing.